Hi, I'm Daniel and I make arcades. Really expensive arcades. And to make these arcades I use really cheap tools. And they are dusty and they are inaccurate and they're even dangerous. So to extend my life expectancy, I partnered up with Festool, and in this video I'm going to take you there and we are going to shop. We are going to spend a ton of money getting new tools, new equipment to work in a, well, hopefully dust-free environment, get the accuracy higher and get the arcade building to a new level. I'm hyped. I have so much I want to see, I want to try, I want to buy. Let's go!
We are in Waddinxveen in the Netherlands, and this is where the Festool head office is located. And Festool was so nice to give me a complete personal tour in which I could see and try all of their cool gear. They have so much stuff. Mitre saws, drag saws, jigsaws, table saws, angle grinders, sanders, routers, oscillators, cordless drills. And they demonstrated everything. You can see Koen demonstrating their sanders. They are amazing. He showed me that you can just turn them on and leave them running on your workpiece without them even moving. This is their newest table saw with this crazy saw stop technology that prevents you cutting your fingers off. Or sausages for that matter. And this is a CNC machine inside of a handheld router. How cool is that? I mean, there's a complete computer inside. It's freaking awesome. I want that. I really want that. My neighbors are always so happy when I buy new, huge, heavy gear.
So, let's show you the new tools we got. So, as you can see, I installed the table saw and it looks absolutely great. It's a huge saw and look how it runs. It is so fluent. This is a crosscut sled. There's the very cool saw stop technology, so you cannot cut your fingers off. This is the normal sled. It's all very nicely built, high quality, so I'm very happy with that. But let me show you the other tools. Here is a vacuum cleaner, a professional one, a big one, so this will help out a lot with the dust collection in the shop. And this one even has Bluetooth, which is really cool. So if you are working with some tools or just using the normal, how do you say, hose, you just press it and it goes on. So here, well, here's the new mitre saw. You can see here. It's a beast. I got both of the tables left and right, but at this time I don't have any space for it, so I only attached one of them. But it's so beautifully made. Let me show you. High precise model, very professional. So this will create much less dust and much nicer cuts. Here are some, how do you say, slats or guide rails, I must say. And here is the huge collection of new tools I bought. Let me show you. So this is a Percussion cordless drill, another drill. This is the plunge router I'm really excited about, so this will help a lot with dust collection. This is a plunge cut saw. You saw me use that before. some sanders. This is a Delta sander, and this is a cordless edge sander. So you will see those in my new video. Let me just get one of these containers off, and let me show you how cool they are. So this is the most heavy cordless power drill they have, which is called a TPC 184, and it comes with batteries, of course, and it's so powerful. It has four modes. It feels quite heavy, and you can drill in concrete. Well, not in concrete maybe, but in stone at least. So absolutely great. So very happy with that. And in the next videos we will be building arcades with all the cool new tools. So a little different video this time, and I just wanted to show you the new gear. So see you in the next video. Bye!